Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ioseb GABELAIA and I am going to present and share research work with my co-author, Ms. Sopiko GABELAIA, titled The Strategic Impact of Online Traveling Agencies on Operational and Financial Performance of the Hotel. It is a mixed methodology. Quick outline of the work. I will highlight quickly introduction, a little bit of the literature review, a little bit of the research findings, and of course some of the conclusions. The global hospitality industry is going through a transformation. This is something that has been seen since pandemic, in post-pandemic environment. Online travel agencies have become key in the hotel distribution systems, and many hotels and professionals are going through these concepts today. Here are some numbers. In 2023, 51% of all traveling bookings were made through online travel agencies, Expedia direct hotel bookings at 21%, and airline bookings at 36%. And this data is reported from the Expedia group. Further, global revenue reached almost $500 billion and expected to reach more than that by. So a little bit of the literature review. There are some information that was highlighted for this work. Some of the key information is here is that internet revolution has transformed the travel industry. So therefore, we have the emergence of this concept. Online travel agencies are expanding their services, and many segments of the travel tourism industry it continues to grow. However, there is also the benefit. Here is a quick outline of the impact of OTAs on the hotel industry. As we will see here, we have a really good example of how everything looks around, how it is evolution is happening, and then what we have and what is the future outlook. And of course, future outlook is connected to customer satisfaction, sales growth, customer engagement, and personalization. The research was conducted between March 14th of 2024 and April 30th, 2024. We used the two conceptual frameworks, Porter's Five Forces, which we thought it was really interesting model to use it here, and of course resource-based view, so we can identify more of the concepts in here. 278 hotel managers were participated in this survey. We have conducted the descriptives. We also conducted the correlations and regressions. Here are some of the informations on the Pearson correlations information here, which shows that the significant positive correlations were observed between OTA, let's say visibility and operational performance, and so occupancy rate impacts and financial performance, and also customer acquisition and cost reduction. We also see some regressions analysis here. We had two models. In the first model, evaluated the impact of the OTC related strategic variables on operational performance, and the results did show that visibility and reduced acquisition costs were significant predictors. Second model explored predictors of the financial performance. We did some interviews here. We had 12 structured interviews. They were conducted through the Zoom, and it also provided some significant information for the work. Here are some of the process and patterns that was identified: OTA dominance and strategic adaptation, interval resources and allocation, pricing parity, and brand value and identity. Basically, key, let's say, the themes and patterns identified by the respondents. Some of the conclusions in this research: we explore the strategic impact of the ACE on the hotel operations based on the 278 responded hotels. The results contribute to already existing knowledge, however, emphasize the dual nature of the OTAs. Something that we can look on the practicality and theoretically. Theoretically, it enforces and enhances the information which is available out there, especially the results were run through the porters forces and also run on that evaluation of the RBVs. And practicality, it actually, from the practical perspective, it actually allows the OTAs to optimize performance and actually maintain brand identity and margin. And then as conclusion for the final part, this research offers several future avenues for the authors to identify and continue to work. First, to explore the impact, and second, to evaluate and explore AI personalization and OT distribution to understand algorithm optimize and perspectives in here as well. If there will be any questions, here is the email which the authors will be more than happy to provide any feedback. So thanks so much for your attention, and if there will be any questions, please reach out. Again, email is available right here. Thank you.